This new app might be a game changer for learning and practicing Irish. So this app is called Shanach, and basically it's trying to fill a few of the gaps left by Duolingo Irish. The first big gap that it's filling from Duolingo is offering dialects. Duolingo Irish is just in standard Irish, but this app offers the major dialects for you to practice in, which is great if you're aiming to become proficient in one. So as soon as I logged on, I chose kind of my level beginner, and then I put in Munster dialect, and my practice was kind of fit towards my needs and the dialect that I'm learning. So a big complaint that I hear about Duolingo Irish is the fact that it isn't very good at teaching grammar, and that's kind of one of the areas I feel that this new app is very proficient in. It has different sections on grammar and patterns for you to look at, and you can kind of check it out while you're doing the practice, like the different grammar patterns that the specific question is following. So going into the app, you can go to the course section, and it has the pathway that you follow with conversation, speaking, and listening modules at the end of the other modules. And then there's also the grammar patterns which come up on the questions, which are really helpful for teaching you how to kind of format the sentences. So this app provides dialect-specific pronunciations, and then they have sections for how to pronounce the words, as well as kind of sentence formatting. And if you get stuck, they have the grammar formatting, as well as the individual words, which you can look up their definitions, which is super helpful. So I'm not sponsored by this app, but I just thought it was super cool and hope it takes off more. If you want to download it, you can get the TestFlight app, and then Google the app, and you should be able to download it and try it out yourself.